Alright, guys, for the people who are joining Mr. Risky Trading channel every time, this is Mr. Risky every time, guys. We want to discuss on specific things, in fact, guys. So we want to explain the key factors that I have been saying that we want to explain. So for today's video, we want to explain the external structure and the internal structure every time. And this is the part number one of that is the three rule method strategy, explaining that is the market structure. But inside the market structure, already you know the market structure, but there is what we call internal structure and external structure every time. Let's take an example of these and go downtrend here explaining, guys. So let me start with this downtrend here. So if you spot this downtrend here, actually, if you spot it very well like this downtrend here, so the market is moving down like this. So this is the market structure, actually the market we are spotting, and the market is going up like that. So what is this is a market structure, because this is a lower high, this is a lower low, this is a lower high, this is a lower low, this is a lower high, this is a lower low. So the market is moving down, right? So when the market, we have spotted that the market is moving down, and this is the key factor you need to understand, all right? So when the market is moving down, we are spotting that this market is a downtrend. So the marks that I have seen like this is what we call an external market structure, whereby we see the larger moves, the larger swings, the larger key factors, all right? So that is very key. But inside this run, inside this run, we need to spot what we call an internal structure. Let me lower the writings and we look at what we explain what I'm saying, guys. So let me take this one. All right, so inside that runner, all right, for example, inside this runner, there is this small breaks of structure. So this is what we call an internal structure. This is what, there is some breaks of structure here. So this is what we call an internal structure. There is this breaks of structure here. This is what we call an internal structure, right? So inside that bigger moves, there is a minor market structure inside it, which we call an internal structure. So as a forex trader right now, we need to spot an external structure first in M30. After now identify it, we go to a lower, and that not a lower, the same time frame, that is 30 minutes. Inside that structure, you wait for a break of structure. So we need to have that swing things on your mind. So you need to have that external structure, then you spot it, guys. So all right, guys, this is Mr. Risk every time. It is matter of consistency every time in trading, guys. So let's just wrap this one, and all right, like that. All right, so I think that is a very clear move, right? So how do we now trade? So after spotting that, we need to understand when to trade and not when, not when to trade, guys. So in terms of external structure, after identify the external structure, you need to identify the internal structure. All right, just I will take you on the specific things that you need to look at, guys. When this happens like this, there is what we call an external structure. All right, so when do we trade? We trade when the market taps something like this, you spot something like this. So let me take it, let me just take it like this. All right, sorry. So when something like this happens, these are swings. When the market taps, you are swing like this and comes and tap again. You just wait for this break of structure, you enter when the market breaks the structure internally, right? So I'm clear. I think right now you can now to spot the external structure and the internal structure, guys. So I don't want to make the video to be so long, but my key factor, it is just to be able for yourself to identify the internal structure and the external structure, guys. This is Mr. Risk every time. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel every time. All right, guys.